Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a tool out of regular pliers that will cost you probably like $10 out of Harbor Freight or maybe cheap hardware store, or maybe you have one of those somewhere laying around. Probably you do, and all you have to do just cut a little slot here at each end of the grips with the grinder. A grinder that looks like that. All you have to do, just be careful, wear glasses, always safety first. So you just make a little cut here, and it's gonna be good enough to grab the clamps like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how it works right here, and you can squeeze it, and that's how you remove it. Very easy to use, cheap tool. You don't have to buy nothing special for it, and it's very efficient. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great time of the day. Take care. Bye.